I think maybe this gauge is no longer working. I turned on my hot water to take a shower last night, and I ended up having to take a cold shower, and that sucked. And when I turned on, the button kept turning red, which generally means propane's not getting to the water heater. So we'll test this little sucker. I'm going to turn off. Find a place to step here. Turn off my propane tank. Oh, there's no spiders up on it. Kind of feels empty. And the gauge still reads full. Okay, let's turn it back on and see if anything happens. And the gauge didn't move. Okay, so that means I got to pull the propane tank, which I really think is empty. So let's move some stuff out of the way here. Let's pull the camera back some. Take this cover off. See if I can get the tank out. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's not gonna come out that way. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. Let me see. Because I think that gauge went kaput. Okay, it's closed. Now it went down. Okay, let's hook it back up. Turn the tank back on. Oh, and look, it says it has gas. So what's the deal? I don't know. Let me go try I'll go light my stove. I'll be back. Okay, so I went in and turned on the stove. It worked. I switched the refrigerator over to LP. It worked. So I guess the gauge is fine. The tank is fine. I found my problem. I swear, it's always something, isn't it? Okay. Look. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, focus, camera. Focus. Let's see if I can get it. There you go. See that drip? My regulator's dripping. And where is my regulator dripping? Right in there where my propane flame lights up. So, this isn't good. So I gotta figure out how to fix that drip. Yep, there you go. Okay, so I did a little Googling. This is actually a pressure relief valve. Yeah, my paper towel's already soaked. So what I Googled was that a few people said to just snap this a few times and the leak might stop that way. Sorry, can't keep the camera still. 4 times. Okay, we'll see if that resolves the problem. I'll dry it off with a paper towel and see if it continues to drip. Otherwise, I'll have to buy a new pressure relief valve. So, but that doesn't look like a difficult fix. Okay, so let's take a look at my water heater. After I purged it the other day, that did make a difference. Let's see if there's any water on it. Nope, it's dry. So I Googled and it just said to flip this a few times, about 4 or 5 times. Do some quick flips, just let it purge, get the air out of there, and I guess that's all I had to do. So, but if I have to eventually replace this part, they said it's pretty standard. So I could probably go to Home Depot, take this part off, go to Home Depot and buy a new part. Or one of those stores. So it's good. Everything's cool. I have hot water again when I need it. Okay, catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.